The moment you land in Andaman Islands, one question automatically comes to your mind. यहाँ travel कैसे करें? Because Andaman सिर्फ एक island नहीं, it's a group of 570 plus islands. But only a few are open for tourism. The main ones are Port Blair, Havelock Island, usually known as Swaraj Dweep, and Neil Island, called Shaheed Dweep. Port Blair is the heart of Andamans. सारी journeys यहीं से शुरू होती हैं. The usual travel circuit looks like this: Port Blair to Havelock, Havelock to Neil, and back to Port Blair. And to move between these islands, ferries are the lifeline. There are multiple ferries operating on this route, government ferries and private ferries. But one name that comes up again and again for being the most comfortable, reliable, fast and still affordable is Nautica Ferry. It is considered one of the most premium yet practical options for the island hopping in Andamans. So today, just to show everyone how this entire journey actually feels, I decided to do something different. I traveled Port Blair to Havelock, Havelock to Neil, and Neil back to Port Blair, all in one day. And honestly, it felt amazing. I started my day from Port Blair, where I'm currently staying. और फिर सीधा हेडो जेटी. Hedo Jetty is the main ferry terminal for all private ferries like Nautica. यहीं से गवर्नमेंट ferries अलग-अलग islands की तरफ भी निकलती हैं. The first question that comes to your mind here is, tickets कैसे book करें? Tickets can be booked online through official websites or authorized agents, or even after reaching Port Blair. लेकिन एक चीज जो आपको ध्यान में जरूर रखनी है वो है टाइमिंग. फेरीज हियर ऑपरेट ऑन फिक्स शेड्यूल्स. यहाँ ट्रैवल आपके कंफर्ट के हिसाब से नहीं होता. इट हैपेंस स्ट्रिक्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू द फेरी टाइमिंग्स. सो योर एंटायर ट्रिप नीड्स टू बी प्लान्ड अराउंड दीज डिपार्चर्स. Once you enter Hedo Jetty, the experience feels almost like an airport. You go to the check-in counter, your tickets are checked, and then you move for the security check. Inside, there is a small waiting area with few tuck shops available, where you can grab quick snacks or water. As soon as the ferry is announced, passengers are guided towards the jetty. Here, your luggage is deposited separately. The staff carefully handles it and keeps it stored, so that the passenger cabins remains clear and comfortable. इस रूट पे नॉटिका फेरीज डिफरेंट टाइमिंग्स पे ऑपरेट करती हैं और आज मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ नॉटिका प्रो से. The moment you step on board, the ferry looks like a mix of an aircraft ready for takeoff and a luxury cruise liner. It has two decks. The lower deck has premium sitting. The upper deck has royal class sitting. And at the rear, there are two business or VIP cabins also. The sitting is extremely comfortable, designed for smooth open sea travel. There are huge panoramic windows with automatic shades so that you can enjoy the ocean views or block the sunlight whenever needed. In terms of amenities, Nautica really stands out. There's an onboard tuck shop with the food sourced from one of the most popular restaurants in Andaman, that is Doiwala. You can also buy souvenirs including the Nautica merchandise. Foods and beverages are also available and can be delivered directly to your seat. The ferry has clean, well-maintained washrooms and the staff is extremely courteous, making you feel welcomed and comfortable throughout the journey. At times, there's even music and small dance activities on board, which makes the ride feel more lively and fun. Overall, ferry काफी fast, स्मूथ और बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है। The first leg of the journey is Port Blair to Havelock Island. And as the ferry moves into the open sea, you slowly leave the city behind and enter the endless blue of the Andaman Sea. 1.5 से 2 घंटे का सफर के बाद हम हैवलॉक आइलैंड की जेटी पर पहुंचते हैं and I step down to capture the scene. Havelock Island, officially called the Suraj Dweep, is one of the most famous islands of Andamans. It is known for its white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and the rich marine life. This island is home to Radhanagar Beach, often ranked among the best beaches in Asia, and is a hotspot for scuba diving, snorkeling, and water sports. The jetty area itself is very buzzing with activities. Tourists arriving, locals coordinating transfers, dive shops and travel desks preparing people for adventure. After taking in the vibe and capturing the moments, it was time to move on the next leg. The journey from Havelock to Neil Islands. It is shorter but equally scenic. And as we sail, the sea changes its colors and the pace of travel feels slower and calmer. When I stepped down at the Neil Island jetty, the atmosphere is completely different. Neil Island, officially known as Shaheed Dweep, is quieter, greener, and far more relaxed. It is famous for its pristine beaches like Lakshmanpur Beach, Bharatpur Beach, and Sitapur Beach, along with coral reefs and the crystal clear shallow waters. Neil is also known for the Natural Bridge, a beautiful rock formation best seen during the low tides. Here, life moves slowly. As the day progressed, something truly special happened. On one of the sailings, I interacted closely with the crew members. Normally, कुछ चीजें on board allowed नहीं होती, but with generous permission from the captain and the crew, we were allowed to capture moments, interact freely, and even celebrate a birthday on board. It turned into a beautiful, unexpected moment filled with laughs, conversations, music, and genuine warmth from the crew. ये वो moments होते हैं जो एक सफर को यादों का हिस्सा बना देते हैं. And now the final leg, which was from Neil Island to Port Blair. As the ferry cruised through the open waters, the sky slowly changed the colors. And this is where I witnessed one of the most beautiful sunsets at sea. The sun dipped into the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and gold, with the ocean reflecting every color so beautifully. It was peaceful, it was magical, and it was unforgettable. Doing this entire circuit in one single day was really tiring. But it was an incredibly fulfilling day. I enjoyed every part of it. The journey, the islands, the people, the sea, the sunset, and the memories. This wasn't just about reaching the destinations. It was about experiencing Andamans, one ferry ride at a time. Nautica operates across the full circuit, that is Port Blair to Havelock, Havelock to Neil, and from Neil to Port Blair, and makes island hopping just not convenient but truly enjoyable. This journey gave me memories I will always carry with me. And if you are planning your Andaman trip, remember, sometimes the journey itself becomes the highlight of the trip. Bye-bye.